This video covers steps for installing the TrioGrow SnugLock family of car seats, rear-facing, using LATCH and SnugLock. We'll go over step-by-step instructions to help ensure your car seat is installed securely. Before getting started, have your car seat manual and your vehicle's manual on hand, and make sure your vehicle is on level ground. Graco supports the American Academy of Pediatrics and National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's car seat guidelines. Please review this information before proceeding. All vehicles have a latch system weight limit. Please review your vehicle manual and car seat manual to confirm this limit. If the weight of your child plus the weight of the car seat is greater than the latch limit, please install your car seat using the vehicle seat belt. Push the base against the vehicle seat and make sure the car seat base is flat against the vehicle seat. Make sure at least 80% of the car seat base is on the vehicle seat. Now, to start, remove the latch connectors from storage. For easier installation, extend the latch strap to its maximum length by pressing the gray button and pulling on the strap. Adjust the recline to position 1, 2, or 3. Check to make sure the level indicator is correct for your child's age. If the ball is not in the correct zone, select another rear-facing recline position. Start by loosening the harness straps, then raise the headrest to the highest position. Unbuckle the chest clip and the buckle. Remove the body insert if needed. Lift the headrest pad flap up and out of the way. Undo the lower snaps on the seat pad and lift the seat pad, exposing the back and the base of the car seat. Make sure the latch strap and SnugLock lock-off are in the rear-facing belt path marked with a blue label. If you need to move the latch strap, refer to your car seat manual for instructions. If you need to move the SnugLock lock-off to the rear-facing position, simply open the SnugLock lock-off and twist. Attach both the latch connectors to the vehicle's lower anchors. The latch strap should lie flat and not be twisted. Press down on the center of the seat while pulling on the free end of the latch strap to remove all the slack. Do not pull on the strap with excessive force. Lock the SnugLock lock-off with a click. Replace the seat pad and move the headrest to the proper position for your child. Finally, go through this checklist to make sure the installation is correct. Test for tightness. Grab the sides of the seat where the latch strap is routed and slide the seat side to side and front to back. The seat shouldn't move more than 1 inch in any direction. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, open the SnugLock lock-off and pull on the latch strap to remove slack. Then close the SnugLock lock-off again. Repeat until the seat moves less than 1 inch. Check the level indicator again to make sure the ball is still completely within the correct zone for your child's age. Check the height of the harness straps. For rear-facing car seats, harness straps should be at or just below the child's shoulders. Raise or lower the headrest as needed to ensure the harness is in the right position. Do the pinch test. Tighten the harness strap snugly by pulling on the front adjuster strap. If you can pinch the harness strap at the child's shoulders, the straps are too loose. Check the placement of the chest clip. Once buckled in, ensure the chest clip is at armpit level on your child. Raise or lower as needed. If you have all check marks, then you have a successful and proper installation of the TrioGrow SnugLock 3-in-1 car seat.